Monsoon has arrived. We all must have a craving of sweet and salty snacks. Welcome to my channel. This is Pinks here. Today I'm gonna share with you all one of the most famous street food recipe, that is Dahi Vada or Dahi Bhalle. Soak urad dal for 7 to 8 hours. Now make a fine paste of it. I'm adding hing and salt. Hing will help you in good digestion. Mix it well. Now let's fry the vadas. Soak the fried vadas in dahi water. After that, we'll take out the vadas and squeeze the water off. Now let's move for the plating. I'm adding dahi, green chutney and sweet chutney, cumin powder, black salt, chaat masala and red chili powder. Our dahi vada is ready to serve. Hope you all enjoyed my video. I will be back with another recipe. Stay tuned and stay safe.